Alright YouTube, Riddick is back here in the Prius. Gonna go do some roadside assistance, go get some money, and I'll just have you guys tag along. Right now the guy is like 10 minutes away from me, so I just want to give you guys a little intro and I will record our interaction of doing a spare tire change. Let's get it. All right guys, we made it. Step one, watch for traffic. This is a decent spot, not too bad. What's up, bro? It's this side? Yeah. Oh yeah, oh shit.
Got ourselves into a little bit of...
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Hey bro, I can sit in the car.
Yeah, you're good. Yeah, you're good. You're good. Got a bunch of traffic. Spare on. Yeah, I have like a little safety vest. If you're doing roadside, I recommend you get it. It's like a "don't hit me please" jacket. Yeah, so we need this for sure. And we'll need our little air machine later. Well, let's go get this tire off. So it's a 21. They're not on too tight. don't want to come off easy. I swear. So you gotta get a rubber mallet. And just tap it out.
Yeah,
yeah.
okay, alright.
Could have been because it was low. I'm not sure because it still looks decent.
Yeah, so I just got this car today, right?
Oh, you just got it?
Yeah,
nice.
He told me it had a nail in it, but I don't know, man. I'm like, you know, he said if you just put air, it'll be good to get down to Silver Spring. So I just tried that, and I was like, fuck, I caught myself in this situation. I was gonna go buy tires for it, but I was like, you know what?
Yeah, tires will be cheap too. I can send you you have a spot for tires?
Huh?
You have a spot for tires?
Nah.
No?
I was trying to get one where I could get like this one for $40 or some shit.
Yeah. I'll send you one I like.
Alright,
but it's in Gaithersburg.
Alright.
Yeah, but they're good. How much do you get the car for?
Well, I got it for free.
Oh, nice.
I'm like, man, you should have
Free's the best. Free's the best.
But you know,
shit, I'd take a free car.
Bro, I'll take it, But yeah, go ahead and shoot me your cash app and I'm gonna send it.
Okay.
I'm gonna send 70 and I'm gonna give you 10 in cash.
Okay. Awesome. Yeah, so that's the thing about nails. You don't get it done, it causes more issues down the line. All done here, adding air, tighten the tire, and then yeah, this wheel back here. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Catch you on the next one. Marcus out.
You wanna be with me? You got me hypnotized by the way you look at me. Baby, don't you like you?